Hello everyone, welcome back again with the Honda CR-V 2.4 liter, and this one 2002, and all the other videos in a link description. You can check them out regarding of this related issue with oil leak, engine oil leak. So I'm gonna use this this, and this one I got it from Walmart, and it has a lot of review, high mileage oil treatment. So I'm gonna try this one, and I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but there is also the instruction, everything in the back. So basically just I'm gonna pour this completely to the engine, and hopefully will solve the problem. And here we go. So this one is thick, as you see, it's very thick, so it's good. And I wrote some of the review and comment, and a lot of people say it worked really good for high mileage car. This one has about 250,000 kilometers, and so this is my first time I'm using this. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but yeah, so we'll see if it's gonna work. That's good. See if this solves the problem, then that will be great. Actually fixed, because I don't know if the gasket is leaking or somewhere else. I have no idea. It's just really hard to tell. But anyway, even though if it's a gasket, it's not easy repair. It costs a lot of money, and I spent a lot of money already in this vehicle. Many parts being replaced, and I don't want to spend more. So this vehicle is old, 2002, and trying to just keep it running and maintain it, and that's it. So yeah, that's good, and we'll keep you updated in case if this is gonna solve the problem or not. We will let you know. But okay, yeah, that's good. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.